Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making a Funfetti Oreo cake. First, I'm going to start off by putting the cake mix into the bowl. Then I'm going to follow the directions in the back. So it say to add a cup of water, then a half a cup of oil. Now I'm going to be adding 4 eggs and some vanilla extract. Now it's time to mix everything up really well. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so now it's time to get a pan, spray it with some butter, and then add the mix into the pan. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more videos. Okay, now it's time to put it in the oven, and then this is how it looks now that it's done. Now it's time to add the icing on top of the cake. Okay, now that I'm done with the icing, now it's time to put the Oreo pieces on top. Wow, this cake is looking delicious. Can't wait to try it. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.